Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of shoelaces, and specifically, we're showcasing what many are calling the best shoelaces on the market. VSUDO flat shoelaces, 72 inches long. If you're looking to upgrade your sneaker game or just need reliable, stylish laces, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the versatility of these laces. Available in an impressive array of 29 vibrant colors, these laces are perfect for anyone wanting to add a personal touch to their footwear. Whether you prefer classic tones like black and white or want to make a statement with neon green or vibrant orange, VSUDO has got you covered. The 72-inch length is ideal for various shoe styles, from casual sneakers to high-top trainers. Now, let's examine the quality. Made from 100% high-quality polyester, these laces are designed for durability. The strong braided construction ensures they withstand the test of time, resisting stretching, fading, and fraying. You'll appreciate how they keep their shape even after repeated use, which is essential for those who live an active lifestyle. One of the standout features of these laces is their ease of use. The flat design allows for a snug fit in your shoes, making them less likely to come undone during your activities. This means you can enjoy your run, hike, or casual day out without worrying about constantly readying your laces. Plus, the softness of the material ensures that they won't irritate your skin or cause blisters, which is a common problem with lesser quality laces. What's great about these laces is their versatility. They fit a wide range of footwear types, including sneakers, athletic shoes, board shoes, and even hiking boots. No matter your preference, you can easily switch out your old, tired laces for a fresh, new look that breathes life into your footwear collection. With VSUDO, you're not just buying shoelaces, you're making a fashion statement. Mix and match colors for a unique look that reflects your personal style. You can pair white with a vibrant pink for a playful vibe, or navy blue with golden yellow for a sporty yet chic appearance. Ultimately, if you want to elevate your sneakers and express your personality, the VSUDO flat shoelaces are a fantastic option. Their combination of style, durability, and comfort makes them a top choice for anyone looking to refresh their shoes. And at a price point that won't break the bank, they offer incredible value for money. So, if you're ready to step up your sneaker game, head over to Amazon and check out VSUDO flat shoelaces. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more product critiques and reviews to help you make informed shopping decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.